In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO for a GoDaddy website. If you want to improve your website's visibility and help more people find your business through search engines, GoDaddy has a built-in SEO section that makes the process much easier. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to review so you can set things up properly and feel confident about the details you're submitting. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where your account options and products are organized. Click on your profile and from there, select My Products. This section shows all the services and websites connected to your account, so it's the main place you'll use to manage your site. Next, find the specific website you want to work on. If you have more than one product in your account, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct website before moving forward. Once you open that website's management area, look over to the left side of the screen. You should see a menu with different options related to your site settings and tools. From that left-hand menu, click Marketing. Inside the marketing area, select SEO. This is where GoDaddy helps you configure search engine optimization settings for your website. The purpose of this section is to help search engines better understand your business, what your site is about, and which audience you want to reach. At this point, fill out all of the necessary details requested by the SEO setup. Be as accurate and complete as possible because these details influence how your website may appear in search results. You'll also have the option to edit your keywords and location. This is an important part of the process. Your keywords should reflect the words or phrases people are likely to search for when looking for your products or services. Your location should match the area where your business operates or the audience you want to target. Take your time here and review everything carefully. Small adjustments to wording can make a big difference in how relevant your SEO setup is. Once you're satisfied with all the information shown on the screen, go ahead and click Approve All to confirm the details. And that's it. You've now completed the basic SEO setup for your GoDaddy website. After this, it's a good idea to revisit your SEO settings from time to time and make updates if your services, focus keywords, or target location change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.